Think winter is a death sentence for your garden? Think again. You can actually keep growing and even thrive in these cold months. Yes, even with snow on the ground. Today, I'm spilling all the secrets of winter gardening, so grab your hot cocoa and let's get started. Winter may seem harsh and unfriendly to plants, but with a few clever techniques, you can keep your garden alive, even in freezing weather. From protecting your soil to choosing hardy plants, I've got tips that'll help you keep your garden going all winter long. Use mulch to protect your soil. First things first, your soil is your garden's lifeline. Freezing temperatures can be really rough on it, but that's where mulch comes in. By adding a thick layer of mulch to your garden beds, you'll insulate the soil and protect your plant's roots from extreme cold. Plus, mulch helps retain moisture, which is essential during those dry winter months. A good mix of straw, leaves, and compost can be perfect for this. Choose the right winter plants. Believe it or not, some plants actually love the cold. Kale, Brussels sprouts, and carrots, for instance, can thrive in low temperatures. Not only do these plants survive the cold, they often taste better after a frost. If you're wondering what to plant, these crops are a great choice. They're hardy, resilient, and keep your garden productive even in the middle of winter. Use cold frames or row covers. If you're serious about winter gardening, consider using cold frames or row covers. These are mini greenhouses that trap heat and protect your plants from snow and frost. Cold frames are easy to DIY, just think of a wooden box with a glass or plastic lid. Row covers, on the other hand, are lightweight fabric coverings that you place directly over your plants. Both methods help keep the temperature just a few degrees warmer, and that can make all the difference. Water carefully. Even in winter, your plants still need water, but watering in cold climates can be tricky. The best time to water is in the morning, so your plants have a chance to soak up moisture before the temperatures drop again at night. Avoid overwatering, though. Too much water can freeze and damage the roots. A light, regular watering schedule will help keep your plants hydrated and safe. Plan for winter wildlife. Winter can be hard on animals too, and you might notice some hungry critters in your garden. To keep them from eating your plants, try using natural barriers like mesh or small fencing. You could also set out food or water away from your garden to give them an alternative. That way, they're less likely to munch on your precious winter greens. Try indoor gardening for herbs. For those of you who want fresh herbs but don't want to battle the snow, indoor gardening is the perfect solution. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and basil grow wonderfully on a sunny windowsill. Indoor gardening gives you fresh flavors all winter without the struggle of keeping them alive outdoors. Winter gardening in cold climates might sound challenging, but it's actually easier than you think with these simple tricks. From mulch protection to growing hardy winter veggies and even a few indoor herbs, you've got options to keep your garden thriving all season long. If you're excited to try these tips, hit that like button and share this video with anyone who loves gardening. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to grow this winter, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy winter gardening!